Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use Capcut templates on your PC or laptop. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Capcut, I want you to click the sign up option. From here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To use the Capcut templates on your PC or laptop, it's quite easy. All you have to do is follow these simple steps. Number one option is, of course, you need to download the Capcut for PC or Windows. Alright, so Capcut is available as a desktop app for Windows. Once you have installed the Capcut app, right here, you can simply go to the left side to search for the template. Or if you're using the web version, you might want to go here. And then on the left side, you would notice that there is the template section. All right, click on it. It's the same thing both for the PC application and on the web. All right, just search for anything here. For example, New Year, editor's pick, business. You can choose a lot. For example, I'm going to be using something like maybe a troll face edit. For example, maybe this one right here. I'm gonna click on it and you would notice that they have all these. All right, if you want to use this template, all you're gonna do is click this button right here. It's very easy. Just have to click that and you will be forwarded to this section wherein you can customize how you would like to export this design later. Takes a little while depending on your internet connection. So once you're happy with this, for example, you can add in your own file. I'm gonna do that right now. And then wait for it. Try. And then once you're happy with this, just try to create some transitions, effects here, noise reduction. Try to play it through. If you are happy with this, right? Make sure that the effects applies to our video. Now, once you are happy with this, you see the export button on the top right corner. I want you to click on it since you have already used a specific template that you like here in Capcut. If you click the export button, you would notice we have an option to click this, share now for review, share as presentation. You can share on social medias like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Facebook page, and of course, Instagram Reels. You can also have an option to download it from a different file formats, change the file name, check the resolution, and check the quality. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.